Find the sum of the arithmetic series of 28 plus 37 plus 46 plus 451. This is a series because they're being added together. Right, the problem is we don't know how many terms we have in this series, but we know that the first term is 28. We can find D, and what we will need to find is N. So first finding D, the common difference, that's just going to be 37 minus 28, the second term minus the first term, or you can just take any two consecutive terms. So it's 37 minus 28, which gives me 9 as a common difference. Now we know the last term is 451. So using that, un is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, we can say that 451 is equal to the first term, which is 28, plus n, which we need to find, minus 1 times 9, and we can solve this equation to find n. So that's 451 is 28 plus 9n minus 9. That's going to give me 451, 28 minus 9 is 19 plus 9m. And then 432 is equal to 9n. N will be equal to 48 terms. Now, a word of warning here, n would have to come out to be an integer value, a positive integer value, because it means the number of terms. So, using the sum of an arithmetic series, when you know the first term and the last term, that's n over 2 of the first term plus the last term. So S of 48, the sum of first 48 terms, is going to be 48 over 2, because n is 48, of 28 plus the last term, which is 451. So it's going to give me 24 times 479, which will give me 11,496. So this has been a video to show you how to find the sum of an arithmetic series by first finding the number of terms in the series. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.